Married for 50 years, their secret will shock you. A heartwarming or surprising story of a couple who stayed together for decades and their unexpected secret to lasting love. Hook 50 years of marriage. That's over 18,000 days, countless challenges, and more memories than they could ever count. But how did they do it? How did they stay together while so many others fell apart? Their secret is something you'd never expect, and it might just change the way you see love forever. The beginning of their love story. Let's take it back to where it all started. 50 years ago, John and Margaret met in the most unexpected way. She was the most beautiful woman I had ever seen. I knew I had to talk to her, and I thought he was just another smooth talker. But this wasn't just another love story. Their journey was filled with moments that tested them in ways they never imagined. The challenges, turning points. Marriage isn't a fairy tale, and John and Margaret had their share of struggles. We went through financial troubles, lost loved ones, and had times when we barely spoke to each other. There were moments I thought, is this really worth it? But something always pulled us back together. So what was their secret? Was it luck? Was it fate? No. It was something much simpler, but also much harder than anyone realizes. The big reveal, their secret to 50 years of love. 6-830. The secret to their 50-year marriage is this: they never stopped choosing each other every single day. Love isn't about never arguing, it's about how you make up after. It's about waking up and deciding, I still want to be here. We made a deal. No matter how hard things got, we would never stop laughing together. Their golden rule: every single night before bed, no matter how bad the day was, and they always said, I love you. That simple promise carried them through 5 decades of life, love, and everything in between. The takeaway: 8:30 Wasser. So maybe love isn't just about fate. Maybe it's about the small choices we make every day. You don't find a perfect person. You just find someone you can love perfectly, flaws and all. Would you try John and Margaret's secret? Comment below and let us know. What's the best relationship advice you've ever received? And if this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because love is a journey, and every journey deserves to be told.